Hi guys, welcome to our STEAM club. I am Miss Angie and today we are going to do an experiment where it's going to show us the freezing temperature of fresh water versus salt water. Okay, so the supplies that we need for today are we need water, we need some ice. So if you have this kind of ice, like the size, you can take maybe 7. And also we need glass, we need salt, we need a jar, piece of jar, like this, doesn't matter how long, just we need a piece of jar and a spoon. Okay, so let's gonna start. Okay, the first step for our experiment today is that we have here our ice, okay? And we're gonna put like 6 or 7 pieces of ice, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how about one more because these are not too big. Okay, 8 pieces of ice I have here in this glass. Okay, so let me clean my hands. Now we are going to add the water. Okay, just half glass, okay, of water. Okay, you see here we have the ice and we have the water. Okay, now we're gonna take the piece of jar and we're going to introduce the piece of jar here into the water, okay, with the ice. And what do you think is going to happen? Do you think that this piece of jar is going to pick up the ice? Let's see. Okay, I submerge the jar here into the water and let's going to pick up the ice with this jar. So that was happening now, right? So now, but we want to pick up the ice with this piece of jar. Okay, so but maybe you say, Miss Angie, but how we can do that? Okay, so now we're gonna leave the piece of jar here with the water. We're gonna leave it there. And now we're gonna use our spoon and we're gonna add half a spoon of salt here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, about this. Okay. So we're gonna add the salt over the ice and over the jar. Okay, and now we're gonna wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so let's gonna wait for 2 minutes and then I come back with you. So now guys, I come back after 2 minutes and what do you think is happening with this jar? Do you think that the jar pick up the ice? Was it sticky with the ice? Or do you think it's not going to happen anything? So let's see. And whoa, you see the jar pick up the ice. You see, now we're gonna put that here, put back the ice in the water. So maybe you are asking, but Miss Angie, how is this happening? Okay, so the reason is because when we added the salt in the water over the ice, so the salt melted the ice, but at the same time immediately refrozen again, and when refrozen, the jar is sticky on the ice. That is the reason that was possible that the jar was picking up the ice. Okay, so it's the same when it's winter and we have a lot of snow out of our driveway. We say, okay, how we're going to go out? So we sprinkle ice and the ice melted the snow. So it's the same case here. So that was the reason, guys. Now, I'm about to try this experiment in home, but instead of water, what happens if you use vinegar? Do you think that the reaction with the soil will be the same? So we don't know. So just try it home and try this one and let me know. See you the next time. Bye bye.